Hi, I'm Chris Buckentin, Koch Agronomic Services. A lot of buzz in the field right now with the release of our new product, CENTURO A Pro. A Pro utilizes the same technology as the original CENTURO, but with a new, lower use rate. That means you still get the same advantage of the original CENTURO, like 100% non-corrosive, low odor for ease of handling, per ton treatment rate that makes application simple in the field, and of course, our industry-leading pro-nitridine technology. The lower use rate with CENTURO A Pro will also give you operational benefits, like freeing up tank space, warehouse storage, and of course, quicker tank fill times. With the release of A Pro, we want to make this transition as seamless as possible for you, the customer. So today, I want to walk through the setting of the new presets on the Murray nitrification inhibitor pump. Remember, our new use rate for A Pro is 1.61 gallons per ton, so that translates into 3.5 gallons for 1,000-gallon tanks, 5.1 gallons for 1450s, and 7 gallons for twin 1000s. All right, so now we're gonna go through setting the presets on our Murray pump for CENTURO A Pro. This is a newer pump. It has a Horner screen. If your screen does not look like this, it's probably a Maples, and we have a video for that as well. So we're gonna begin getting into our presets by pressing F1. As you can see, we have the wrong amount in there, so we're gonna hit Enter to highlight it. And for a 1,000-gallon tank, which will be our preset 1, we'll take 3.5 gallons. So 3, 5. Again, we don't need to push a decimal point. It'll automatically appear. Press Enter. As you can see, 3.5. And then we will hit F1 to move to the next one. All right, preset number 2. Again, it's the incorrect number. Hit Enter to highlight. Preset 2, we're gonna go for a 1450 gallon tank size, and that requires 5.1 gallons, so 5, 1, Enter, 5.1. We'll hit F1 to move to the next. Here's preset 3, and for 3, we're gonna plan for twin thousands or 2,000 gallon tank size, and that requires 7 gallons. So Enter to highlight, 7, Enter, and when we're done, we'll hit F10 to exit. Now we have our presets, and just to verify, we'll hop in and do it one more time. F1, there's preset 1, 3.5, preset 2, 5.1, and 7, F10, escape. Your pump is now ready for CENTURO A Pro. With that, thanks for tuning in. Be sure to reach out to your local Koch Agronomic Services sales rep with any additional questions.